Hi friends, I am Professor Suryaditya Saha from Kolkata. My phone number 8017309883. My email address sanshaha shaha 82@gmail.com. I am conducting a courses on GAN Financial Astrotechnical course on the basis of GAN price and time equilibrium. This course is 6 months course and the course fees is 25,000 and the study material is 15,000. Total 40,000 course fee. And also I conducting the services like FNO services in Nifty, Bank Nifty and stock future, and also in portfolio management services, PMS services, that is 4 years to 10 years long, that will give you in this market a big return. So firstly I want to say today's Nifty movement, that is hammer on the trader and also investor. Nifty last series rally from 9341 and up to 9709. The total difference of the rally was around 300 around, and the GAN 62.5% retracement is indicates that 9479, if not broken and close below that, the trend will in uptrend, and I believe Nifty never go below 9479 in the next future. And I also say 9550 below close is not possible, but I am fail. But I am conducting my sorry to all of the viewers and my friends. This is my fault. And I also examine that Nifty expiry will be around 9700. Tomorrow Nifty may rise above 100 point, and Friday around 150 point, and these will like May series, and Nifty will close above 9775 if possible. Then next target will be 9830 and 9925. that is not coming in this series, that is will come in July. 21st July, I always say 10,300 will be tested. That is a conviction. July end to 27 August, I always say 7% to 8% correction, that is a normal correction, possible up to 9,500 or 9,600. Year end Nifty target, December Nifty target 10,400, and if November GST if be possible, if November budgetary commentary if possible, then Nifty will test 10,400, and if not be possible, then also Nifty will test 10,400. Within February 2018, Nifty will test 10,675. As I said earlier, I am convicting in this figure. 2018 end, year end, Nifty will test 11,500. And 2019 to 2021 is the boom for the bull, but slight bottom around 2020. 15,000 Nifty will be tested in the year of 2022 Jan. This is the top of this bull market rally of 7 years from 2015 to 2022. Then fall 2022 to 2023 middle up to 10,200 to 10,400. That is around 33.3% between. 2023 new bull market will begin. Don't panic. Tomorrow and Friday, within 9700 to 19800 Nifty will be tested. Then profit booking. Profit booking for 3 or 4 days. Trend change 10 July to 21st July and top 10,300. There is some reversal dates I will going to mention to you for the July. 6 July, 17 July, 18 July, 21st July, 27 July, 28 July. This is basically on the Bank Nifty correction. This is basically on the Bank Nifty up move, and this is basically for the Nifty top and also market reversal. All of these are the reversals dates are mentioned for the Nifty in the July. Significant week, the 26th week, 10 July to 14 July. This is a significant week. Now I am going to say something that Dow Jones will test 35,000 within year end of this year. This is a big boom for the Dow Jones and the USA. They are growing and their growth is now expandable. Their own Make in America concept like Make in India is now a verdict by Mr. Trump. And Dow Jones and the USA is growing up. But I said earlier that there is a bubble. The bubble will come in 2022 year end. The bubble will fall Dow Jones. But now Dow Jones will test 2017 end 35,000 index. And I feel also that gold will rise start from 2019 to 2021. The peak will be 2021, and this is a commodity bull market. And I also predict, if anyone think 9200 below Nifty will go in any next situation of BJP outcome for GST or any other domestic and global reason, they are the foolish person and they are the foolish technical analyst in the world. And I also believe there is no crash, there is no panic will create to go Nifty below 9400 right now. And I also believe that if anyone going to start investment like portfolio management services, they also should join now. And also join my courses of GAN, Astrotechnical Financial Astrology, and get the study, get the rare study for the world. There is no comments coming we say that is a fall. I can be fall, but the theory is not fall. And I believe that WD GAN basically focuses on the time than price. And I also mention the time like before, and my students always we follow the time price equilibrium. They follow the what is the amount Nifty fall daily from the sun movement. Daily sun movement indicates how much Nifty fall daily. Daily moon movement indicates that which sector will rise today. That indicates always, never we fail. So everyone, those who believe me, they can join all the services and also call me 8017309883. This is a conviction from me that Nifty not in a panic situation, if not go below 9479 at a closing basis, it is a uptrending movement to 9800, and if 9800 achieve this series up to Friday, then next week it correct or some correction for 3 or 4 days, and then rally up to 21st July up to 10,300, as Dow Jones and Brent crude will rally up to $59. Brent crude $59, I say this is for first time, and thereafter I again said before that $39 is a crash situation for the Brent crude in the July-August session. That is the main reason that Nifty will fall 7 to 8%. This is my conviction. So be happy and trade happily for tomorrow expiry day. Nice to talk to you everybody, and have a nice Thursday.